Good Tuesday morning. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today, a very mild first day of September. Very, I think, fall-like in many ways. Even more fall-like than the typical first day of September often is. We started low 50s on our way to the low and mid 70s later today. Temperatures running just a little cooler than average for this time of the year overall, at least for today. But yeah, very comfortable day nonetheless. Some very thin clouds overhead. We're going to be in and out of the clouds for the morning with more and more sunshine headed our way for the tail end of the day. But 54 from our Gwaltney Group camera. That's from CC Heights in Rochester. As we look outside in this fine Tuesday morning, on our way to, again, the 70s today. And, you can't complain about this. We did get the rain we needed yesterday. We got a lot of it. 2.01 inches in Rochester officially on Monday. That was a record for the day, but also it closed the deficit from more than 2 inches to just barely less than a third of an inch. We ended up just a little bit shy of where you would technically should be or would like to be anyway statistically, but we did really well to close that gap yesterday. Today it's, well, maybe a little unsettled. We do have a slight chance of sprinkles or brief light showers in a couple of hours, but so far right now a dry situation with a very dry atmosphere and some pretty comfortable September-like conditions as we move along here in this 9th month of the year. A couple spotty showers in the day planner from around 10 until about 1, and then we see increasing sun later on. A high today of 73 around 4 o'clock, sunset at 7:45 here for our Tuesday. Just a hint of a south breeze around 9 or 10 miles per hour. 54 right now in the Med City area. It's just a little after 8:30 here on this Tuesday morning with air pressure steady and that southwest breeze only 5 miles per hour. Dew point very comfortable 50, not much mugginess in the air. Temperatures in the mid 50s across the map. Rochester 54, 56 in Northwood, and 57 in Cresco, across 56. Here's what we had last month in the way of temperatures. We were a couple degrees above the seasonal average for highs. 81.1 was the average high for August, 2020 version of August anyway, and we had just about a third of an inch, or just almost 0.3 of an inch less rainfall than the seasonal average, with 4.24 inches. Again, half of that, just about half of that occurring yesterday, but it really closed that gap, and on paper really looked like a decent month. Overall, we did go a long time without rainfall before yesterday's downpour in the morning hours. But anyway, all's well that ends well, I guess is what you say in that situation. We did well in the last final moments of the month. But here are the showers coming in for the west. Very dry air in place, though. So a lot of this is not reaching the ground. We're watching a disturbance in the upper levels of the atmosphere that's generating these showers. We may see just a few brief sprinkles or light showers for a couple of hours. All of this coming in behind high pressure. All of that's going to push eastward. We'll have increasing sun later in the day. Another storm system to our north and west. That will be one that we will encounter. We'll deal with this on Thursday morning. That's going to drag a cold front through the area and generate some pretty gusty winds headed our way for Thursday after a very warm and pleasant Wednesday. Tomorrow, again, with more of that southerly breeze and abundant sunshine, about 80 degrees tomorrow. But again, that cold front Thursday, next weather maker. But rain, not so much, I think, a factor for us. Severe weather risk, not at all here. It's the Ohio Valley and southward on the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for today. For us, clouds, and then we see increasing sun heading into the afternoon around 2 or 3 o'clock. More and more of that sunshine. South winds around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, clear skies, a gentle breeze, lows around the mid-50s, around 54 or so. And then tomorrow, southwest and then west winds, a ton of sunshine. Another batch of high pressure grazes the area to the south. Really a nice looking Wednesday. Here comes a cold front from the northwest. That'll reach us just before sunrise on Thursday. Showers to our north and east. For us, we stay dry with occasional sun and clouds. Pretty gusty winds behind that. We're up to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures starting around 60 Thursday morning, only make your way to about 70 or 72 in the afternoon. That cool air blowing in those gusty winds on Thursday. But that latter part of the week does look pretty nice. Friday looks great. Saturday looks terrific. Holiday weekend will be interesting. We'll see that in the 7-day. There's quite a bit of variety. There's a little something for everyone, and that 3-day stretch, hard to even imagine. But 70s today, partly sunny. A spotty shower is possible in the midday. 74 in Austin, Rochester 73. 75 in Winona. South winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mainly clear and 54. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny. Great looking Wednesday. West wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. 80 but not your typical summer mugginess, but summertime warmth there. Temperatures running tomorrow about 4 degrees above what is the seasonal average for early September. Here's the outlook for Friday through Sunday. Chance of thunderstorms during the day, especially in the morning hours on Sunday with the cold front that moves through. It's going to be a pretty gusty afternoon with temperatures climbing from around 60 to the low 70s and kind of leveling off there. But Saturday looks great. Friday looks terrific. Holiday weekend for the most part. If you throw Friday in there, a very interesting stretch of time, because look at what we're facing on Labor Day on Monday. 64 degrees. Again, looking at that coming up for Monday, with winds on the cool side. 64 on Labor Day Monday, and then next Tuesday another round of showers. Only low 60s for high temperatures. So we have a long stretch of cool weather that starts on Labor Day and most of next week. I think Monday through Friday of next week at this point, all with highs in the 60s. But it does look like we recover. It does look like about a week and a half from now we may see a resurgence of some type of more seasonable warmth, but it does look like the longer run, at least right now, in the 6 to 10 day outlook from Labor Day through next week, definitely a cool stretch of weather. So don't be surprised if you see a lot of 60s showing up more and more in that 7 day. But right now, in the meantime, enjoy your Tuesday, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow for what looks to be a great looking Wednesday.